Are you thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but feeling overwhelmed on where to begin? Well, in this video, you're gonna learn exactly how to start a channel the right way without wasting time guessing or getting stuck in perfectionism. The first step to starting your channel is to get clear on your channel's purpose. Why are you doing this? If you're unclear on your why, you're not gonna build an audience and get leads and clients from YouTube. There's no possible way. So before you hit record, ask yourself the question, why am I creating this channel? When you're clear on the why, it's easy to figure out who you're doing this for and what you're going to talk about. But if you don't have a burning desire, if you don't have a definiteness of purpose, yes, I'm pulling some pages out of Napoleon Hill's great book, How to Think and Grow Rich. But if you're not clear on that, it's going to be a slow and arduous and difficult journey ahead. But when you are clear on the purpose of your channel is to educate, it's to solve this problem, it's to entertain, whatever it is, then the content creation flows out a lot more effortlessly. But if we're unclear on the purpose, then you're going to be spinning your wheels. So that's the first step. What is the purpose of your channel? And if you want to know, if you want to share and you want to declare for accountability purposes, comment below what the purpose of your channel is. The second step to starting your channel is to choose a niche that you're going to stick with. Now, I get that if you're just starting, you may not know your niche, and part of you creating videos on YouTube is the process of clarifying your niche. But you still want to put some effort into thinking through who these videos are for, even if you haven't officially nailed your niche. When you do choose or decide on who your profitable niche is going to be, oh my gosh, content creation becomes way easier. When you know why you're doing this, the purpose of the channel, and you know who you're doing this for, then you can come up with 5 or 10 video ideas like that. But if you don't, it can be a struggle. So I say all this because you want to pick a topic that you're passionate about, that people are searching for, and that you're not going to get bored of teaching. I've created hundreds of videos on this YouTube channel, over probably 400 or 500 videos already on this channel, and I'm just starting. And I'm not losing motivation. I'm not feeling discouraged. I'm not getting burned out. Why? Because I know every video is useful. It's having an impact. Many of them are attracting leads and clients to us, which is awesome. So who are you going to make your channel for? Maybe in the beginning, it's for you. Maybe you just want to communicate a message, but then you're going to start to see who's engaging, and you're going to get feedback and comments and acknowledgments and thank yous. And when you do that, now you're narrowing this down. And if you can connect this, if you're a coach watching this and you connect your YouTube channel to your coaching business of who your ideal client is and the problems you help them solve, now this is going to be a client attraction machine. That's the power of YouTube. So that's the second step to starting your channel. The third is to not overthink the gear. I understand how you can watch this video and go, wow, the quality of that video is so good, or the crispness of that audio with the mic that it is using is so good. If you look at my videos, even just a year ago, the quality wasn't great. And this quality is not going to be as good as my video 3 months from now, or 6 months from now, or a year from now. Every video that I produce, I commit to becoming 1% better. But that doesn't mean you need to wait for the perfect gear before getting started. That is perfectionism. That is procrastination. What's more important than the quality production of your video is the message inside of it. So spend your time and effort thinking about the topic of your video, the script of your video, if you're going to use a script, the call to action of your video, the thumbnail of the video. Those things are 1,000 times more important than just the camera that you're using. Sure, over time, it's great to have good production and you can invest money in that. But for now, if you're just building your business, use your phone. Your phone, your iPhone, your Android has great quality, has great audio. You don't need to buy a bunch of stuff, right, to do this. So do not make the mistake of overthinking gear. Get into the game of action now and you will have a channel. The fourth step to starting your channel is to create your first 3 videos now, not next week, not next month, not next year. Just record the videos. The honest truth is that very few people are going to see your first few videos. I know it's not good to hear that. I know that can feel discouraging hearing from me, a business coach. But the reality is you're going to hit record, you're going to publish it. Unless you promote it to other channels that have a big following, that you have a big following on, not many people are going to see the first few videos. Obviously, that will compound over time. But in the beginning, rip the Band-Aid off, let the imposter syndrome go, face the fear of rejection and judgment and failure, because those are natural roadblocks on the road to success, and just record the videos. When you record and publish your first video, the second video is easier. Then the third video is easier, and so on. So let's stop overthinking, overanalyzing, procrastinating, being stuck by paralysis by analysis, and let's just hit record and share your message. The fifth and final step to starting your channel is to post before you're ready. If you are waiting to feel ready to hit publish on your video, you're never going to publish it. Why? Because let me ask you, how long have you been watching my videos? Maybe you're brand new and this is the first video that you've seen. My gut tells me you've watched some of my stuff before. And if you have, then how are you doing producing your own videos? Are you publishing consistently? Some of you may be. If you're a student of mine in Fearless Coach Academy, it's very likely that you are publishing weekly or publishing consistently. But if you're not, I want you to always, I appreciate the support and watching my videos, but let's stop consuming and start producing. Let's decide right now in this video to post before you're even ready, right? And I get that if you're working in a job and you're building your coaching business on the side, there's a sense of fear and uncertainty of like, oh, what if my boss sees or what if my coworker sees? You've got to be thoughtful about that, but it's very unlikely they're going to see that, just so you know. But you've got to take it into consideration. Post anyway. You're never going to feel ready. I just don't want you to waste too much time getting ready to get ready. This is a huge thing that I see online business owners struggle with, and I don't want you to be struggling with that. So if you're done procrastinating, if you're ready to finally launch your YouTube channel, then just comment start below and let me know. This will be your public declaration to me. I'm happy to share additional resources with you to help you on this journey. Before I wrap up this video, I ask that you do me a quick favor, and that is to subscribe to this channel if you found this video to be useful. I discovered recently the majority of you watching this are not even subscribed. So if you've gotten value and you never want to miss a future video, then just go ahead and hit subscribe right now. And make sure once you've subscribed to check out my next video up here in the corner, which is titled How to Make Money on YouTube. Now that you know how to start a channel, the next thing you need to know is how do you actually monetize that channel and make money. If you want to know that, click up here, watch that video, and I'll see you in the next video.